I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Are you a woodworker? Are you a scrap wood hoarder? Do you have a corner of your garage that looks like this? If so, you might be a scrap wood hoarder. I struggle with the sin of scrap wood hoarding. It's time to clean up. You're not going to use this. Seriously. Seriously? Seriously? Are you really going to use a scrap piece like this? You're not going to use a piece like this. Let it go. It's time to clean up. Time to clean out that corner. Some pieces, you might use that. That might be a decorative piece. But, really? You're hanging on to that? Some of you are saying, hey, I can use that. Others of you saying, thank you, thank you. We're finally getting our garage back. I'm giving you permission to let it go. Let it go. Tackle that wood pile today. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe. For more tips and woodworking ideas, click the image on your screen right now.